All right, you guys. So if you did not know, I own a second agency, my first agency. It's been around for 5 years. It's called Rising Ranks Digital, and we're an SEO and digital strategy agency. So SEO is my jam, and I've been doing it forever. And so whenever I go onto these platforms, I always try to figure out how the algorithm works from a search standpoint. So, yes, of course, there's the algorithm that you get into by picking up on viral videos, which we'll talk about. But I want to get into the search, which I think is actually becoming more and more important. So,
smart. Now, compare that to the smartphone you have in your hand right now.
This right here. And so I'm looking at like this, where like the little blinker is. Sorry, for some reason it won't let me like touch and highlight it. So we'll go to women in NFTs, and I've kind of just been playing around with how things get ranked. So what I found is that these at the top, they are usually either have been just released, so they're pretty recent, or they have a lot of views. So granted, and like for me right here, like I only even have like 297 amongst, some other ones, but you can see what I found is that what picks up these videos is two things. It's the copy in the video, and it's the copy in the bio, or not the bio, the description. So you can see right here, we have hashtags women in NFTs. We need more women in NFTs. That is all in the description. It's interesting because the TikTok algorithm hasn't yet, I don't think it's smart enough yet to pick up anything that people are saying yet. That's different for YouTube and some other things, but yeah, so that's good to know. So if you are looking for a hashtag that you want to rank for, make sure that you have it in your title at the beginning, and also try to get it into a hashtag as well as the description before the hashtags. That will really help you. So I've looked at a bunch of these, and that what seems to ring true. So what I did is I looked at a bunch. I looked into get into NFTs. You can see, I think there should still, you have get into NFTs, get NFT, get your first NFT. So you can see how it's all kind of, get into NFTs. You can see how it's all related. Yeah, this is interesting. So I just kind of found this out, and I wanted to share. Let me just see what NFTs is. So what this means for you is to figure out what hashtag you want to rank for. If you typically get a lot of views, you can go for the higher hashtags. If you don't get a lot of views, or hardly any views right now, go for the smaller ones. So let's take a look at these hashtags. So this is actually interesting. I have not even gone here. So Bitcoin NFTs, that could be a good one if you don't really get a lot of views. And just get TikTok started on just showing your video somehow, somewhere. NFT system, that's a really interesting one. She's NFT, I've never seen that one before. This is actually a good way to just look too, to pick up more hashtags for your videos. You can make a whole list. Maybe we can just like collect a list, and we'll put it all in our channel. NFTs explained. Ooh, that's a really good one. So this is really interesting. So take a look and browse,
because it's not MLM. Basically, instead of walking into an art gallery, you're
what it does. What's another? I'm gonna do NFT marketing. You guys are like finding this out with me in real time. Okay, so it's picking up my hashtags, and again, my intro copy. That one has NFT marketing in it a few times. All right, yeah, so this is really cool. All right, before I like take you guys down the rabbit hole with me, I am going to stop this, but let me know if you have any questions and let me know your thoughts.